Hey, hi there, Manish here. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with Pipedrive automation. So yes, I'm the one. I have good experience with Pipedrive and I did so many projects. So there are three ways to automate Pipedrive or integrate it with the other application. Number one, we can go with the Pipedrive inbuilt workflows and automations. So within Pipedrive, we can automate any small activities based upon any triggers or update happens and other modules and values can be updated. Second level, we can go with Zapier or Make kind of platform. So Make.com Zapier can help us to build automation workflow around Pipedrive plus help us also to integrate them with other applications. And the third one is we can directly work with Pipedrive APIs. So they can be used like within Make Zapier, or we can do Python or JavaScript based coding as well. So I'll quickly walk you through how this everything works. So first of all, here we have the Pipedrive APIs available. So now in case we wanted to work with the Pipedrive products, so it can help us to get all the products, search them, or even create a new product, update, delete. Same thing happens with any sort of users, task, leads, deals. So almost every module can be controlled using APIs. Secondly, here is the Pipedrive module inside Zapier, and over here it has most of the triggers available. So any trigger when any activity, lead, deal is created, it can trigger the workflow, as well as updates are also the triggers. So if you add any value, update any deal, lead, then it can trigger the entire workflow. And same way, Pipedrive has all the activities also available, actions. So we can perform based upon the triggers, we can perform any other actions. And now the trigger can be anything. So when you're building an automation scenario, an incoming email can be a trigger, or any action in any other app can also be a trigger. And furthermore, we can connect all these applications with Pipedrive using Zapier. And similar to this Make.com, so over here on Make, the Pipedrive module is available right across with all the triggers and the actions which can be performed on automation scenarios. Now I'll quickly walk you through what kind of automation projects I have built for my clients using Pipedrive automations. So this is one of the automation when the deal stage gets changed. We wanted to get a deal and create an activity based upon the deal. Similar to this, I have created many scenarios for various organizations. You can see Pipedrive is extensively used. This is one of the other example. So we are searching database records at every day at certain time and checking if the deals are on a particular stage or particular level. Then we are assigning those deals to a particular person and sending out emails using the Gmail module. Similar to this, another example of scenario getting triggered from webhook and updating the Google Sheets, as well as the Pipedrive person is created, deal is created, and deal information is sending out using Gmail. So many scenarios. Again, here is Pipedrive deal event happens. So deal is created, and then based upon that, creating an invoice in Billet and sending out using Gmail, as well as updating that into Pipedrive. Here again, another similar scenario of deal, creating bill and sending out using Gmail. These kind of scenarios can also happen. So deal, person, and Gmail again sync. A couple of scenarios also have Google Calendar sync, as well as telephone modules, Twilio, SMS can also be sent out. So yeah, it is endless. Like as per your business requirement, we can do almost any other thing. So let me know if this excites, and I'm more than happy to contribute my automation skills to your project and to your business growth. So we can jump on a call and discuss more about any sort of Pipedrive automations. And yeah, let's take it there from here. So thank you very much. Have a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye.